What's up, YouTube? This is my second time recording my intro because the clips that I'm about to show y'all are from like 2 days ago, I think. And you know, your girl was not feeling good. Your girl was feeling burnt out. Your girl was feeling tired. But today, as you can tell, I have way more energy today. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving y'all early 2000s outfit inspo for the summer because summer's right around the corner. So I gotta make sure we all looking right this summer, okay? I'm just gonna be pulling a bunch of outfit inspo from Pinterest and just like recreating those outfits in my style. And also I'm just gonna add in a couple outfits that like, you know, fit with the theme. But most of them are me recreating outfits from like maybe TV shows I've watched, maybe movies, maybe music videos I've watched, just maybe vibes from stuff that I've watched, you know. Yeah, let's get right into it. First, I'm gonna start off with something simple, very Willow from Buffy the Vampire Slayer. That's precisely where I pulled this outfit from. I love Willow style in Buffy the Vampire Slayer. It's so witchy and colorful and glittery, and those are all my favorite things when it comes down to clothes. But this one's just witchy, you know, just witchy, simple, very early 2000s. This is for sure something Willow would have worn. Okay, so first I took this black top that I cropped myself because it was a dress if you watch my DIY video, but I didn't like it as a dress, so now I have it as a shirt. Then I took some low-rise Gap jeans. I got these off of thredUP. thredUP is my favorite place to get low-rise jeans from. I always find some. Then I just paired it with this really cute belt I thrifted. It's really cute, and I think it goes with the outfit really well and ties it all together nicely. Next is an outfit that's heavily inspired by Avril Lavigne from this picture right here. You know, she has on the colorful tights, the colorful shirt. They're all colorful and they just match each other so well. And that's pretty much what I'm about to do with my outfit. You know, we have the cheetah print, we have the cropped baby tee, we have the colored tights, you know. So just like her outfit, I'm gonna try to match my shirt color with my tights color. The lettering or something in this shirt is red. So I'm gonna match the red in the shirt to my tights. I think the leopard print mini skirt adds the perfect amount of chaos in the outfit. It ties the whole outfit together wacky in a super cool way. I regret so much not using my red and black striped tights for this because I feel like it would have went so much better. But I did make this skirt myself from a shirt that was like, I saw the vision with the fabric and I ate that. Okay, so next, one of my favorite outfit combos, jeans and heels. I think it just looks so good. Jeans with heels are so cute together, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be pairing this top with this gold like band around it. Low-rise flare jeans and these beautiful purple heels with a little flower on them. This outfit is so cute. Oh, you can see my legs. This is kind of weird. But, you know, these are the low-rise jeans that I thrifted with the shoes that I found. Oh my god, I don't have enough time to talk. So next is the outfit that I've seen on my Pinterest board a lot from like pictures from the early 2000s, and it's like a bra top with a jacket and some low-rise jeans. I've seen a couple people wear this outfit. I know more have worn it. I don't feel like looking at more pictures. So this is what I'm gonna recreate. So first I have this cute little bra top, just a black bra top. Kind of feels like a leather, but it's not actual leather. I think it's vegan leather. Then I have this jacket. It's my favorite jacket right now. Whenever I can wear it, I'm wearing it. Then next, of course, low-rise jeans. You've seen this millions of times already, so it's nothing new. These are some Miss Me jeans, very early 2000s coded. Also, don't be in the comments talking about this isn't accurate to the outfit. I am not recreating each outfit to the T. I'm just like doing it in my style because it's not going to be exact. Okay, so starting off with these Miss Me jeans, I didn't know if I was gonna like these Miss Me jeans at first when I first got them because they're gray, and I don't usually wear gray, but I actually really like these jeans and they're really cute. Next, I often see pictures in the early 2000s where people are wearing like these scrunched up shirts, or maybe they're dresses that they use as a shirt. They also used to do a lot of that too. They'd put a dress over jeans. I'm gonna use a dress and I'm gonna put it over jeans. And I'm gonna wear this hat that people wore a lot in the early 2000s. Like, it's just that kind of hat. I don't know what kind of hat it is. I just know it's cute as I have a tiger striped one. I love wearing it when my hair is nice and flat on my head so that, you know, it's not tight as hell. I can hardly even wear this hat with braids, low key. I feel like it depends on the braids, like how thick they are up top. Then I have this really cute beaded shirt. It is a dress and it like scrunches up. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear it out. It's mostly like a club type of dress though. I don't know when else I would wear this dress. Lastly, I'm gonna pair it with some low-rise jeans because all outfits are complete with low-rise jeans. Any outfit is cute as long as you have low-rise jeans on. No time for me to say anything in this clip, but these jeans are mud. I don't feel like looking at the brand for the shirt, and the hat is unbranded. Whenever I see a picture of someone from the early 2000s, I always see a jean skirt, a mini jean skirt. I don't know if I have one that is gonna be actually cute because I know that I tried to make one out of some Miss Me jeans before and I just know that it's sitting with my fabric right now. Like, I don't remember how it looks, so I'm gonna go grab that real quick to see how it looks. A jean skirt is an early 2000s staple. I'm so surprised I don't have one. I used to have one, but I sold it. I regret it low-key, but I would rather get a different one now. So I for sure am gonna have to go thrifting and go find a mini jean skirt because why don't I have one? Okay, so I didn't have the Miss Me jeans that I turned into a skirt. Well, no, I do have it. It's just that it looks a hot mess. I put pleats on it, so now it's like really ugly. But luckily, I have a sewing machine still, so I made another skirt. The back is wonky because I kind of didn't care. This skirt pretty much is just for the video. I'll probably like work on it later to try to make it better in the back. I don't really care though. I'm gonna style an outfit around this skirt. So I'm thinking this shirt with like a very patterned textured top. Now I don't know what shirt I ended up using because I'm just sitting here right now thinking of shirts right now of like what I could possibly use. Cause I have a few shirts that would just be so cute with a jean skirt. Like, but whatever shirt I use, this shirt. And yeah, with jewelry of course. Perfect summer outfit, so flowy, so airy, so cute. Alright, so as you can see, I ended up using both shirts. I didn't like the first one, the way it felt. It was too long for the skirt, so it didn't look right. This shirt would require a longer skirt, but the second shirt, Okay, so next outfit. I usually see a lot of people in the early 2000s, they wore halter tops, and a lot of them were like glittery and stuff. So I have this glittery purple scarf that I'm gonna use as a halter top instead of as a scarf. I'm gonna use the same jean skirt again, and I'm gonna pair it with my tiger hat. Okay, hey, I'm popping back in. So I didn't get to record enough footage from, you know, 2 days ago, like I said, and you know, I'm extending this video now today because it just was not enough footage and I did not want to give y'all like a 10-minute video. So you know I got y'all, so I'm about to give y'all some more outfit inspo. Okay, so this is very witchy inspired. I have this dress that, well, it's witchy mixed with, you know, early 2000s black girl fashion. Yeah, so I have this like ruffled cardigan with this like flared sleeve on here, and I know this is like a cardigan or whatever, and you know, like summer, like what? But it can't be chilly in the summer, y'all. Don't act like it don't. So also like at night or whatever, like just imagine at night in this outfit. This is cute, and then you might need this. Like, you never know. Especially with Chicago, girl. Chicago be 30 different weathers in 1 week. So, but this is a really cute dress that I picked up at the thrift store not that long ago. Here's the brand in case you want to know, but this is a really cute dress. It ended up fitting me so nicely. I really didn't expect it to, so let's put it on. This is what the dress looks like on. If the back of my head is ugly, shut the fuck up. But look at this dress. Like, can we get some commotion for the dress though? Like, look at the little gems on it. I think 2 was here and it came off, but they're still really it's still really cute regardless. Like, even without the little gems, whatever is missing. And here's the cardigan. Here's the brand on the cardigan in case anybody wanted to know. Both of these things are thrifted though. Look how cute. You can't tell me this isn't so witchy, early 2000s vibes. Like, you know, it just looks like I tied 2 aesthetics together, and that's what I was going for. I was also low-key thinking about like making this dress tighter and then like making it like a slouch dress, Like you just see the vibe. Like, do you know how cute that would be? But I think I'm gonna leave it like this because it's just so cute like this, and it's so flowy and airy. So I think I'm gonna keep it like this. But let me know, like, should I do that? Like, would this be cuter? I like how this video turned from like voiceover over my outfit to me actually talking. Like, that's how you know, like, my mood changed. Like, I did not feel like saying nothing. I just want to get this video out the way, y'all. Okay, next, this outfit is inspired by this picture right here. Just this one singular picture. I wish I found my black cami, but I really don't feel like looking for my black cami right now. So I have this dark purple cami. I'm gonna pair it with one of these scarves. I don't know which one would look better with it, but I'm gonna try this one since I haven't used this scarf in this video yet. I'm gonna pair it with these low-rise pants that I have. They're very office vibes, honestly. Like, they look like something you wore to the office, but I really liked it because of the little velvet pocket right here. I dyed these black myself, by the way. They used to be like a really like light creamish brownish color. They have a really huge flare, but they don't stay where I want them to stay at, but they're still cute. This dress would also be really cute as a shirt, wouldn't it? I can't. This shirt is just so cute. I mean, this dress is just so cute in so many different ways. Right. See if this looks good with it. I feel like this will look good. Like, why wouldn't it? Oh my god. Are you kidding? Do you see this outfit? I don't even know if like the black top would look better with this or not, or if it just looks good just like this. I kind of feel like it looks good just like this. This is so cute. I love this. I wish y'all could see the whole thing, but you know, my legs aren't in the frame and I don't feel like putting them in the frame. I think this will also be really cute with those purple flower heels too. This is so casual, day out outfit, you know. Okay, so I'm thinking back to this one outfit that Buffy wore. I'm about to recreate that right now. So this is a dress. I mean, not a dress. This is a skirt, but I am gonna wear like a dress because why not, you know, innovative with our clothes, you feel me? This is how the dress looks, like without the, you know, whatchamacallit. I did have to pin it up in the back. So that's what it looks like in the back. But it is really cute, you know? It is really cute anyways. Let me go put the jacket on now. And I know these are summer outfits, so like, you know, you should probably just keep this on. But I'm gonna put the jacket on too, just for the full effect. Or should I change the jacket? Maybe like a mesh covering instead of the jacket. See, this is cute. This is cute, airy, witchy, summer, very much summer. Instead of what I was about to do before, this is more summer vibes than the other thing, because y'all be on that in the comments, like y'all really be clocking me in the comments. Oh wait, I forgot to tell y'all, I finally got the batteries changed in the smoke detector. Like, I saw y'all complaining about it in the comments. Like, my bad, y'all. Like, I literally tried to change the batteries myself, but I didn't know how to open it, so I just, you know, had to call maintenance to do it. So now y'all not gonna hear that beeping in the background no more. Hey! Y'all might hear the beeping in the first half of the video though, but like after that video then it got fixed, so you know. Hey! Probably the first black person in my generation to change the smoke detector batteries. I don't know if I'm playing or not. I can't even say I'm playing because like let me just give y'all a little bit lower on the backstory of the beeping smoke detector. So I used to think that was the hallway making that noise. I used to think that the hallway made that beeping noise until I saw a TikTok, and they were saying how to know you're in a black person's house, and then it was like a beeping smoke detector, and I was like, no way we all do that. And then when y'all started saying something in the comments, I was like, wait. No way I'm doing it like subconsciously. Like, I never used to hear it. Like, y'all used to hear it, but I never heard it till y'all said something about it. So like, it just wouldn't have got changed. I probably would have just thought it was a hallway still. Like, I probably would have just subconsciously still assumed it was a hallway, even though I knew what it was. Okay, yeah, I bet y'all want to see outfits. I'm gonna get back to that. Okay, I found another outfit to create, and it's this one, but specifically this outfit right here. And I think I have something extremely similar to this outfit, so I'm gonna try. I don't know how this is gonna look together, but I trust my instincts. All right, so I have this like blazer thing, velvety, really cute, glittery on it, you know. That's capri. And then I have this skirt. It's a lip service skirt. I got this from a resale shop. Looks like similar to the skirt that she had on, and this blazer looks like the I don't know what she had on. I don't know if that was a shirt or like a blazer or like a cardigan. I don't know what she had on. I just know it looked similar. It had like the collar thing. So I'm gonna put this on and see how it looks. I haven't even looked in the mirror yet to see what this looks like, but y'all know what it looks like first. Hopefully it's cute. I don't really know, but this is what it looks like. Yes, this is cute. I like it. I don't know why it kind of doesn't remind me of the early 2000s, but let me know if it does for y'all. But I don't know. It's just, I don't know. Does it though? I mean, it's similar to what she wore. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm tweaking, but it's still a really cute outfit. I do like this a lot. I would wear this for sure. But I do think that is all the outfits that I have in me for today. I hope this video is now long enough because I did talk more now and added more clips and stuff. So we just gonna hope for the best. But thank y'all for watching this video so much. I appreciate y'all all so much. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know, all that good stuff. Turn on post notifications to be notified when I drop another video. And see y'all next Wednesday.